back with another video. And today we're unboxing my first shoe build, so let's get into it. Alright, this is an TDM figure. He's got the normal goggles, he's got the things that you always see, the shirt that you always see, and the normal pants that you always see in the movies that he does. Alright. Oh! And here is the TDM shield. If you want to join Team TDM, just subscribe to his channel, it's simple. This is the TDM shield, right? This is the, oh yeah, I have done that. Alright, this is the crystal thing, whatever you call it, a diamond. And today I'm doing a close-up. Today I'm doing a close-up.
Say breakfast.
Breakfast. Sorry for that, guys. I'm just doing some funny stuff. Right. Now we are on to the last thing, which is the torch. It doesn't really have a lot of stuff. Well, you might see some of this in the animations of Dan TDM. So yeah, all right. We're talking about Dan TDM first, aren't we? If you want to join Team TDM, if you want to join Team TDM, you can just subscribe. Simple. I've already said that actually. All right. He has over 1,000 subscribers, I think.
No, he has more than 1 million.
He has more than 1 million, yeah. He has, that means he has over 1,000. Alright? And I don't really know that much. He does a lot of Minecraft videos, Riddle School 3 as well. Alright, now talking about Ali A. Ali A is YouTube that does Black Ops 3, like what my brother does and me on our channel. But I'm not that good at it. I'm not prestige yet. I'm level 52. Right. And he does do videos with his buddy Vicstar. I'll show you. We're gonna be doing a stop motion video on YouTube channel in about tomorrow or so.
No, we're not doing stop motion.
Yeah. Blah. Hi guys, this is a close-up by me. This is a close-up of my eyes. This is me. This is me. Alright, that was just some funny stuff. Alright, I think that is the end of the video. So sub, like, and give both of them support. Loads of support. Get them like a trillion subscribers in like 2 days. I can do that. I can get my friends loads of subscribers in like 10 days or 2.
Get me some!
I can get my brother some.
Well, give me a shout out, get me some.
Shout out to my brother again.
Say, get me some.
Get me some subscribers as well. So